And now, a Max the Pug Blizzard Update for January 2nd and 3rd, 2014. And now, here's Max the Pug.
A little dramatic, boss, but not bad. Oh, hi there, Max the Pug here. As you can see, we've had some precipitation. Oh, and also some snow. It's not that much yet, but it will be. That smells funny. Probably just the neighbor. Now, as you can see, there's a tree in the middle of all this mayhem. Oh, say, Winnie the Pooh was here earlier. I can always tell because she leaves her card. She's cute, but a little too clingy. You know, if I didn't just pee 4 times, I'd leave my mark here. Well, let's give it a shot. Nah, no luck. Oh well, there's always the living room later. Well, snow totals so far are about 3 inches, but a lot more is expected overnight. I'd say snow totals when it's all over will be about the size of a long Genoa salami before the boss starts making sandwiches. I'll keep you up to date.
This has been a Max the Pug Blizzard Update.